welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we are going to recreate one of the looks that I posted on my Instagram. So I posted this photo, I don't know if you guys can see it, a couple of days ago, and I got so many responses because this is my version or my take on a soft glam look, and I got so many people that wanted to know what it was that I did, how did I create the look, and so I decided to film it because I was just playing with some makeup that I haven't touched in quite a while. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and film this video. You guys really wanted to see how I created the look, so if you're interested in seeing the products that I use, because I'm going to use the exact same things for the eyes. Face is going to be a full beat because I am going out to dinner with a couple of friends. So yes, grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy. I promise, and we will, and keep on watching. So first things first, I used these eyeshadow tapes from e.l.f. I take one and I cut it in half, and then I just kind of place them where I want, like how angular I want it. So I put it like right there, because I like a little bit more of a cat eye to elongate my eyes a little bit more. And it never comes out like straight. One is always higher than the other, or something to that extent. But so that's what we got going on right now. And then I'm using the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette, and it is a beautiful shimmer palette, quite honestly. Like, can you see that? These are like all shimmers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte colors, and the rest are all shimmers, and these are like highlights over here. I use this for highlight a lot. But yeah, so that's what we're using today because I wanted to step into my collection and kind of play with stuff that I had forgotten about, quite honestly. So yeah, so let's get on to it. I'm going to do a tutorial style for the eyes, and then I'm going to go off camera and do my face. Because you guys see me do my face a billion-and-one times. I will let you know what I used at the end of the video because, quite honestly, I don't have time like that. I'm getting ready to go out. And Mama got to take advantage because I never go out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and zoom you in. And we are going to go ahead and prime our lids. I don't use an eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base yet. I am going to be purchasing soon the P. Louise makeup or eyeshadow base. So we'll be testing that out. But I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and prime this. Alright. So let's go ahead and blend this out. It's so good, this concealer. Now we're going to jump into a voiceover because I want to watch a video. So jumping right in, we're going to take the color Sand, and I am going to put that all over my eyelids. I'm just kind of setting the concealer that I put all over my eyelids because you guys know I don't use an eyeshadow primer. So that's what you see me doing here. If you don't have this palette, you can just use the lightest shade, preferably a matte shade, in your palette or translucent powder. Next, we're going to go in with a ColourPop angled brush, and we're taking the color Canyon, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease, but I'm going to concentrate the majority of the color on my outer corner. I am taking it all the way in to the inside. You really want to build this color in your crease it's all about layering with this particular eye look. You see me just going back and forth, concentrating the most color in the outer V and then just kind of sweeping all the way inside. And I am using the ColourPop tapered fluffy brush, so that's why you see it's a little bit more blown out. It's just easier to blend everything out, and I'm bringing that down to the lash line. Next, with a more precise brush, this is the Vasanti tapered brush. I'm going to go into the color Dune. It's just a tiny bit deeper than that Canyon color, and I'm just putting that into my crease. This brush is a little bit smaller and it fits right in the eye socket, like in the crease. So that's what you see me doing here, building the color in the crease, because you want the crease to be really standing out in this particular eye look. And I'm just going back and forth. It's all about building shadows. Next, in that same brush, I'm going to take the color Sandstone. Sandstone is like a reddish brown color, so I'm building that in the crease right under that Dune color. Moving along, I'm taking a fluffy Real Techniques brush, and I'm going into the color Sand again, and I'm cleaning up and blending out that Canyon color, just back and forth. I just want to make sure there's no harsh lines. Next, going in to a more like packing brush. It's still fluffy but packing, and I'm going into the color Nightscape, and I'm deepening the outer V just to create a little bit of a contrast and just like a deeper outer corner. And you can use the color Dune. I chose Nightscape because I just wanted it a little bit deeper. Then again, with that fluffy brush that I used with sand, I'm just cleaning up all of that color. Just blend, blend, blend. This particular look takes a lot of blending, so just be prepared. Now I'm taking a packing brush. This is by Scone Cosmetics, and I'm taking my 4th Ray Beauty facial mist, and I'm going to spray my brush because we're going to be going into the color Terrain. And it's like a pretty taupey pinky kind of color, and I love this color. And we're going to put that directly on half of our lid, or 3/4 of our lid. I didn't put any concealer down because I wanted you guys to see how easy this look is without concealer. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just taking a little at a time and just packing that color right on the eyelid. Now next we're going to go into the color Prickly Pear, which is like a shimmery brown kind of color, and I am putting that in between that Terrain and Nightscape color because I want to make sure there's no harsh break in the shadows and everything kind of transitions really, really well. This color is super duper pretty. And then next, we're going to go ahead and go in to that Vasanti brush yet again. And we're going to take the color Sandstone, and we're just going to mix it with Dune, and we're going to take that in our crease and just make sure there are no harsh lines because we put that Terrain color down. Now we're going to take the Tarteist double-sided eyeliner, and I'm going to create a wing. That's why I haven't taken the eye tapes off, because I'm just going to follow the tapes to create a small baby wing. I didn't want to do like too harsh of a wing. I've been into smaller wings lately, and that's what you see me doing here. Next, I'm going to take the other side, and it has the pencil side, and I'm just going to tight line so that there's no break between the eyeliner and my lashes. I love this. It's so compact. It's good for traveling, this pencil. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes because we aren't going to put false lashes on today. We are actually going to use the mascara that you're going to see in a minute. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extension Mascara in the color Bryn. And I am obsessed with this mascara. It creates the most prettiest lashes. It looks like I have lash extensions on, and it's such a pretty formula. I love the wand. I dig it. Next, I decided to go in and fix the line because the Tarteist pencil, the Pro Pencil, is a felt tip liner. So it does skip a little bit because I do have some loose skin. I just went in with the e.l.f. liquid liner on top. Okay, and this is the eyes. I'm going to pull off the tapes and I'm going to clean the fallout. So these are the eyes. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my face, come back and finish the eyes off. Okay, so I'm back and I have everything on except my highlight and my lip because we are going to finish with our eyes. I'm throwing on a nude pencil. This is by Essence. This is their just regular nude long lasting eye pencil. I love all of Essence's pencils, lip liners and eye pencils. They're just so good. This is just their nude one. So I'm using this to make my lower lash line brighter because it is such a dark look. I go back into my palette and then I'm going to run the color Nightscape on the outer part of the lower lash line, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix the colors Sandstone and Dune, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. More Sandstone because it's like a little bit more of a reddish brown. That's what you see me grabbing here. I'm sorry that this video is just all over the place with voiceover and me talking. It's just this video was a long one for me. Then I take a little tiny brush and I go into this color right here. Now we're going to spray everything. And you can absolutely put on false lashes. I just choose not to, just because I'm not good at them and I have a bunch that I need to clean. So that's why I kind of stay away from them. But false lashes on this would look beautiful. We're going to go ahead and highlight. So I use the highlight right in here. I use this one, Mirage. And then I will mix this color here, Serenity, just because it's a little more pinky. And then I'm going to go into Hideaway, just because this has like a really big, really like golden reflect, and I want to kind of like bring it down. Love this palette. Okay, and now for lips. So for lips, I did use a different lip for that particular look. I used more of a pinky tone, but today we're going to go with the nude. I'm going into the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF2. And because it's a nude, I'm just going to overdraw my lip a little bit. And then I have 4 choices here. These are the ColourPop Luxe Lips. Maybe we'll go with what's your sign. think I want to put some of Uno Mas. It's kind of right here. Now we're going to set our face because we are going out. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting spray. And I never do my lower lash until after I put my setting spray because I don't like for my lower lash to come and transfer onto my face. And I know that seems like a lot, but we're going to be out drinking and hanging and eating. And it's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to do my hair. I'll be right back. And this is the final look. So I hope that this was a really nice, quick, easy way to show you like my soft glam makeup look. I really love this look a lot. I feel like you can wear it to go out, you can wear it for every day. It is a super easy look. It just takes a lot of blending and just repeating over and over and over the blend. I mean, this is as easy as it gets. I didn't use any concealer. I just used a couple of blending brushes and just one little palette. I do use a lot more mattes because I build my mattes that way, but that's just the way blending goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, of course, hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified when I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And yes, I appreciate all the love and the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.